Don't beat me too bad, Ozzie.
Okay, so now we switch.
Oh no!
This is my brother-in-law, and we're going to solve a Rubik's cube. Okay, you can look at it first. Okay, ready, set, go.
You're so much faster. It's not even fair. I have like the remedial version.
What's down here? Oh,
They
a
have a
Rubik's
camera.
Cube.
Here.
Oh my gosh, that is so funny. That's hilarious.
It's a little monitor thing so they can see what they're doing.
Ooh, a nice balance beam.
Got it.
Dang it!
Okay, who has a hairband?
Oh!
Lillian. Yeah.
Wait, Ozzie, I'm almost done.
Yeah. Can I use it? Yeah.
I'll probably solve it twice by the time I'm done solving mine.
Sorry. Sorry, family.
Did I do it the wrong way? Thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks.
yeah, it has to be on top right. Like have the L.
Right here?
Yeah.
And then, same thing?
Looks like. Doesn't look like it. What?
Dang it!
Did you mess up?
Let's see if I can still do a cartwheel.
Let's see.
Here, watch out, dude.
No,
I drew Zoom.
Yeah. So,
Alright. Yeah.
Here you go,
Except
Lillian.
mine. We're gonna
you
do
do the speed one.
What?
You like the speed one. You do the speed one before.
Alright.
This one.
So we'll do. I'll do the speed one.
Does
Yeah,
it
we'll
work
set
for
this
big people
one.
too?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, see? That's just how it feels.
I'm giving a 15-second head start. Okay. Ready, set.
What?
Can I inspect it first?
Oh, yeah. Inspect.
I don't want to work on my
Okay,
arms.
okay. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
It's crazy how you're just like so scared too.
No, it's not crazy.
And I'm going.
Oh, dang it.
Done.
Ah!
It is like freezing out here.
Crazy what?
It's freezing right out here.
Why'd you come down?
I finished at least. Just way behind you. God, you destroyed me, Ozzie. Did it the wrong way again.
Yeah, just go again.
Boom!
You got it. You got it. Alright, I guess that's it.
Boom.
Bye. So that was my first race. That was Barrett, and he's my brother-in-law. He was actually the first guy to help me solve Rubik's Cube. He taught me how to solve the first layer, and I didn't really know how to... he showed me the second and third layer, but I just didn't quite get it. But eventually, to solve the second and third layer, I just went online, like a few months later afterwards. But he taught me how to solve the first layer a year ago. And I just took a long break from Rubik's Cubes. And then I eventually got back and went online, just when school was starting. And then I eventually was able to solve Rubik's Cube without using instructions or anything on October 11th of this year. So yeah, that was the day I was able to solve a Rubik's Cube. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want to, and happy Thanksgiving.